Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to dislike all the liked reels on Instagram. So head over to the Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your desired account and then head over to your profile and head over to the three lines on the top right. Now go to your activity in how you use Instagram section. Now you will find the like section in directions. Now here, tap on all content types. Now select and the posts are just the reels. Tap on apply. Now these are the reels you have. I have just liked from this account, so I'm selecting and tapping on unlike the button and tapping on unlike to remove my likes or dislike. So as you can see, I have unliked or disliked those posts or reels on my Instagram. This way you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.